our first official assignment as food scientists. We have already learned that food scientists are scientists that study food. So Good Food Production, which is our company, is going to test to see whether or not red dye is potentially harmful. So today we're going to learn one, whether or not water molecules are highly attracted to one another and to many other molecules. Two, whether or not substances are made of only one kind of molecules. Three, all molecules of one substance are exactly the same and they are different from molecules from other substances. And also, chromatography is a technique that scientists use to separate mixtures into component substances. I'm sorry. So the first thing we're going to do is we received this letter. So let's go ahead and see what this letter says that they sent us. So some words that we need to learn, what we're going to hear about is mixture, model, molecule, observe, and substance. Okay? And so the key concept here is that all molecules of one substance are exactly the same and they are different molecules from other substances. So we're going to get down to our first assignment, which is the letter. Because they're questioning whether or not our red dye is harmful to their kids. And so throughout this unit, we will be receiving emails like this one so we can learn what we need to do as a role of a food scientist. So let's listen.
Hello, fifth graders. I am Miss Kill, and this is lesson 4 of the Modeling Matter unit. Let's go ahead and get started. We will begin with activity 1, introducing the harmful dye context. We received this email that we will be getting throughout the unit. It is to the Food Science Lab from Lauren Harold, President of Good Food Production, Inc. And the subject is Test for Harmful Food Dye. It says, Dear food scientists, customers are concerned about food products that contain red dye number 75. Some people believe that red dye number 75 causes health problems in children. Good Food Production, Inc. wants to make sure our customers are safe. We need to test the food coloring that's used in many of our products to see if it might contain red food dye, so we know if we need to submit it for further testing. Please determine whether our food coloring is a pure substance or whether it is a mixture. If it is a mixture, please determine whether red dye is part of the mixture.
All right. So they're telling us that we need, as food scientists, we need to test our food. They want to know if it's a pure substance. What is a pure substance? When you think about pure substance, that is something that what? Pure substance, something that's pure. Put it down, baby.
Something that is like crops that comes from the ground.
Say it again?
Something that is grown from the ground.
Something that comes from the ground that's pure, that has never been what? Has never been what? Used or never been what? Produced. Or not produced, but the other people. Not produced, but processed. So something that's pure means that it's all what? All natural. Good job, Markel. So they want to determine if it's a pure substance or whether or not it's a mixture. Now when I say mixture, what do I mean? That is a bunch of stuff has been added, a combination. What you was going to say, Jakaren? Same thing Mom says. So they're trying to figure out whether it's a pure substance, meaning that it's natural, or whether or not it's a mixture that has been added with a whole bunch of what? Other stuff. Because if it's been added with a whole bunch of other stuff, because it says, if it's a mixture, please determine whether red dye is a part of this mixture. Because what they're saying, the parents are saying, is that red dye number 75 is potentially harmful. So they're trying to figure out if our food has a mixture, they need to know if it's mixed with number 75 dye, okay? And then that's what they want to know. Let's continue. Good job.
Sincerely, Lauren Harold, President, Good Food Production Inc. This is the food dye that might be harmful. Red dye number 75. This is the food coloring that Good Food Production Incorporated